Good day, everyone. We are the group 1112C, and we are going to present the topic that we chose, which is plant more trees in urban areas. The care of the earth is our most ancient and most worthy, and after all, our most pleasing responsibility. By Wendell Berry. So, why trees are important? Trees are vital. As the biggest plants on the planet, they give us oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil, and give life to the world's wildlife. They also provide us with the materials for tools and shelter.
Urban areas. Urban areas are prone to pollution. Urban pollution may come from natural sources, but the most detrimental are those emissions related to human activities. The anthropogenic sources of pollution, such as factories, industries, transportation, and so on, are typically exacerbated in cities due to local concentration of humans and human activities. All about trees. Public health and social benefits. Clean air. Trees produce oxygen, intercept airborne particulates, and reduce smog, enhancing a community's respiratory health. The urban canopy directly contributes to meeting a city's regulatory clean air requirements. Access to trees, green spaces, and parks promotes greater physical activity and reduce stress while improving the quality of life in our cities and towns. Urban landscaping, including trees, helps lower crime rates. Study shows that urban vegetation slows heartbeats, lowers blood pressure, and relaxes brainwave patterns.
Environmental benefits: trees sequester carbon, reducing the overall concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Energy conservation: a tree is a natural air conditioner. The evaporation from a single tree can produce the cooling effect of 10 room-sized residential air conditioners operating 24 hours a day. Tree windbreaks can reduce residential heating costs 10 to 15%, while shading and evaporative cooling from trees can cut residential air conditioning costs 20 to 50%.
Water filtration and retention. Urban forests promote beneficial water quality and reduce stormwater management costs. Trees capture and slow rainfall and their roots filter water and recharge the aquifer. Trees reduce stormwater runoff, which reduces flooding, saves city from water management costs, decrease the flow of polluted water into the bay. Wildlife habitat. Trees associated plants create local ecosystems that provide habitat and food for birds and animals. They offer suitable mini-climates for other plants that would otherwise be absent from urban areas. Biodiversity is an important part of urban forestry.
Projects with trees. Urban tree planting. City Green beautifies our urban environment. Besides being beautiful, only urban trees can provide so many other benefits that they are regarded as the basis of a city's green infrastructure.
Trees slow down climate change. Large urban trees cool our warming planet and can be also used as natural canopy when the sun is blazing hot, reduce flood risk, and function as an excellent means of absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releasing oxygen. Planting trees can contribute to a healthier planet while improving our daily lives, for example, by decreasing high blood pressure and stress. Planting trees today is essential for future generations.
Having a proper plan of where we should plant trees is important so that trees can cool temperatures by providing shade and aid polluted air in the city. Planting trees in which the population density and air pollution overlap. The best sites to plant trees are in streets, sidewalks, and other paved areas.
The city's future with trees, as we can see in the picture, it showcases how effective and how trees can make our infrastructures and city more beautiful and become an innovative city in the future if we collaborate our ideas and be futuristic and cope with nature for a greater life. Special thanks to all the people who made and released these awesome resources for free, such as presentation template by Slides Carnival and photographs of the template by Unsplash, and the content from canopy.org and Trees Energy Conservation Extension.org, and for pictures and photographs from the following websites. That's all. Thank you and the end. Thank you for listening on our presentation.